Welcome to Abhi's Hashtag. Today we are going to see an amazing video. Come, let's see the video.
Good morning to you all. My name is Delia from class 1E. Today we are going to see a science experiment which is so colorful. Now let's see the materials. 1/2 glass of water, 1 strip tissue paper and some markers. Now let's take the tissue paper and with the sketch pen we will draw some dots. Now let's dip this in the tip of the tissue paper. What is happening here? Is it a magic? No magic here. It's just behind the science. The water absorbs by the tissue paper and this is known as capillary action. Tissue paper has small gaps which will absorb the water. What do you think? Who uses these properties? How does the leaf get water? We put water in the soil so plants have capillary action to get water from the soil. The root touches the water and they use the capillary action to send it to the leaf. This was the best good experiment to learn about capillary action. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to your friends and families and support us for more videos. If you want more videos, just subscribe and you will get all the notifications you want from our videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.